Third time I'm doing this because first time my battery died, second time didn't have a card in the camera. Hit that intro. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to prepare a few of the meals. Don't know that we will do all of them, but a few of the meals that I will, after preparing them, freeze them to have ready-made meals for the upcoming week, weeks, month, something like that. Just using what I have to make some meals to show you how we can do that. So I'm going to start off with this 8-serving bag of broccoli cheddar soup. Now it says it has all of the cheesy flavor and broccoli and all of that, and it cooks in just 10 minutes. I'm going to add broccoli. and I'm going to add bouillon cubes to my water. I've put 2 cups in there, and then I realized I didn't have a card in my... So we just need 6 more cups of water. 4. I'd really love to have a pot filler pipe right there. All right, 1 more of these. It's funny how everything I wanted in a house was this house, but now I want more. I need to just stay here. All right, I'm going to put a couple of chicken bouillon cubes in from my very nice, nope, we're over here, and neat pantry. Right here. So easy to get to. Mickey, you take a couple boys. Are you following me? Okay. Put a couple of these in here. Hi. What does it say to do? We don't know because we don't read directions. Bring the water to a boil. Whisk in the soup mix. Reduce heat to medium. Simmer uncovered 10 minutes. Okay. We are over here. Okay, did you hear all the directions? Okay. While we are waiting for the water to boil, that we don't even have the burner turned on, we are going to chop up some frozen broccoli and just chop the little headies. Maybe I don't need to. Okay, I guess I don't need to. Do we want 1? Do we want 2? We don't know. We don't know. I think I got a, yeah, I don't know. I was going to guess that I got a fresh thing of broccoli and cut it up and froze it. But I think I took a bag of it and cut it up and froze it. Now, here's one of my issues. I don't have a lot of bags left. So for things like these veggies, I'm just going to rinse this bag out and reuse it because it's fine. It is fine as white wine. All right, while that's doing all of that, I do have my corn, bean, rice mixture that I can go ahead and place into the roll-ups. So I will go ahead and do that. And I'm going to use these little ones because these would be good for lunches and stuff. So I am going to. They have the ice crystals on them, so we're going to let that serve as a wet paper towel. Do we want to heat them? Maybe we'll just pop them in for a few seconds. Just enough to be pliable. We're going to refreeze them. Alright, now I need my and I need you. I want you to see what we're doing. Alright, I'm going to turn off the AI. Because that's annoying me. Get you right in there. So what I'm going to do of this, put it right here down the middle. I need my cheese. Roll them up the best I can. Put a little water on it to make it stick. Okay, that didn't work. Anyway, I don't know why I can't fold a burrito. Why can I not fold a burrito? I do not know. I do not know. There we go. That's a little better, but that was not. All right. So there's one. Let's do another one. put a little cheese on it. And then what I'll do is I will just probably place these into a Tupperware dish and plop them in the freezer. And then when I'm ready to eat them, I can take them to work and heat them up in the microwave in my office. I am no good at folding burritos, especially little itty bitty mini burritos. So I figure I could make like 3 or 4 of these for one serving. I think that's a great idea. I overstuffed that one. That's all right. Take one more, throw it in here for a minute. Oops, forgot about it. All right, my water over here is about to start boiling, so we're going to wrap this last one. All right, and then those will go into a Tupperware dish for a lunch. Over here, my water is starting to boil. So, I'm gonna open the soup, turn this down to a simmer, pour the soup in. Put our broccoli in. Whisk all of that around. Smells cheesy. Could probably add a little bit more broccoli to it. I think I'm going to add another package of broccoli to it. It just needs more work. You can't have too much broccoli in your broccoli soup. Save the bag. Alright, I'm going to let that cook for a little while. It'll probably be a little bit longer than 20 or 10 minutes because of the frozen broccoli. But I have to say, that is just looking fantastic. right, back over here. Let me put you on this side, because that's the side I can work from. I'm going to get a container for those. Where is my flat container? Put all of the seams down so they don't unravel. But that will be lunch one day. And I can put these directly into the freezer. I'm just wondering if I should cover them with anything else. Okay. The other thing we wanted to make was broccoli cheddar chicken salad. My chicken is not ready. The other thing I wanted to make was broccoli pasta with tomato vinaigrette. All right, so I'm going to put all of these away, because if I make 25 of them now, I'll never eat them, because I'm a weirdo. Keep this as it is. Just put it down in the freezer. That way it's ready to go for putting over Doritos, putting in a tortilla, whatever I want to do. Let me clean this off. Alright, let's check over here on this broccoli soup. Looks good. Nice and thick and creamy. And lots of broccoli in it now. So, that is a wonderful thing. I might have to try some. Let's try some. I'm trying to get one of my pieces of broccoli. Very good. Broccoli melts in your mouth. Put another spoonful of that. Real good. Broccoli melts in your mouth. That is good. Yum. Okay, I guess I'll be having some broccoli cheddar soup for dinner tonight. Highly recommend. It was, let me show you the brand. I'm sure I picked it up from AI. Oh, I don't have my AI on. Sorry. I'm sure I picked it up from Walmart, but it is Bear Creek Country Kitchen's broccoli cheddar soup. If you like extra broccoli, just get a little frozen bag of it, of the florets. Pop those in there. Good. Highly recommend. Having that for dinner. All right, now I think I'm going to finish up this part tomorrow because we have meats that are not defrosted. Actually, I can make one more thing. I'm going to make chili dogs. I'm just going to cut the hot dogs up, put them in the chili, put them in a freezer seal thing, and then when I'm ready to eat it, just pull it out and heat it up. So, I thought my boyfriend started playing at 2 o'clock. Apparently, it started at 12. But not to fret, my pet. I am taping the game. So once I finish this last recipe, I'm going to go and sit down, watch the game, and then I'll come back and together we will go through. Didn't know why that was crumbling. I guess I cut it. We will go through and finish the rest of these meals. For me, it'll be tomorrow because the chicken and stuff has to thaw. All right. I just have a can of chili because sometimes I like to take these and put them in the... Sorry. All right, so now what I'm going to do, since the cheddar soup is cooling off so I can eat it, I'm going to take this can of chili, mix it with these 8 hot dogs, put it in containers, plop it in the freezer. That's another ready freezer meal. After that, I think I'm going to start on waffles and pancakes. All right, let's see. we're over here. Okay, I think I have to split this up into two. And now you have an on-the-go chili dog. You can just pop it in the freezer, heat it up when you're ready. That doesn't go on there. Does it? I don't know. It goes on there. Okay, freezing one. Start to sink around a little bit. Did my AI quit working? Did I turn it off? What happened? Duke? Duke? No bark, buddy. All right. Then I'm going to get some for dinner tonight. Okay. Then I have a lot left still. So let's get one more container. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for now until they cool off enough to put them in the freezer. Apparently I turned it off. Okay, yummy, yummy. 8 servings is a lot for one person. And it probably turned out to be more like 9 or 10 with the frozen broccoli added, but whatever. Everything is fine. Put this in the refrigerator. Okay, so my AI is low. The battery's low because it keeps cutting off. That's why y'all aren't following me.